life is, I guess. I don't know. I'm sorry.
Yeah, so apparently, did you find an article talking about the restream audio? Is that is this a thing?
I don't know.
You don't know. We don't know. All right. So for right now, until we figure out what's causing this audio delay, we're just gonna go ahead and deal with it. Sorry for those of you who had tuned in and got cut off all of a sudden by Tim here. But anyways, let's start our trivia now. We're gonna go ahead and start our trivia. Actually,
Not excited.
there was one more thing I think that we didn't cover before we started trivia. DVT. Is that default?
Oh yeah, I'm supposed to learn about default or
Default.
some shit.
You're supposed to learn? Who's
Yeah.
teaching you?
You know what? No, I'm gonna look into it after I'm already like nice and saucy.
Okay. All right. That's fine. All right. So we're just going to go ahead and start our game then. So without further ado, we're going to have our wonderful host that's behind the camera, Garcon, to read us out some questions. This is Blockchain 101 Media. What is blockchain? So without further ado, let's get to it.
How's it going, you guys? It's your host, the Token Gamer. Welcome to the Blockchain
The mic is
Crypto
there.
Show.
No one can see
Blockchain
anything that you're
crypto
doing.
show? What are you saying?
No one can
Alright,
see
let's get the
anything
game
that you're
started,
doing.
You guys.
This one might be more saucy than I am. What's going on?
Like, I don't know what's happening.
I'm over here drinking that Ray and Nephew, feeling great. Alright.
Drinking that Ray and Nephew, feeling great. Yo, what? Are you in a club in the 90s? What's happening right now?
Yes. First question. What makes it one of the most exciting... Okay, that's... What makes blockchain one of the most exciting Okay.
That's not really a question. Can you find an actual
Yeah,
question?
let's go ahead and so first of all, take a shot because you
There
asked
we
a
go.
bad question.
Okay.
Yeah, weren't we supposed to have
Yeah, you take a
Jerome
shot for
take
asking
So
a
here
bad
we
question.
go.
take
Fine. So
shots
I'll
if
take a
he
shot
asks
with
us
that one and
shitty
just-
questions?
There we go.
It's not like last time, okay? Last time you had it very laid out properly. This was just a bit weird. But anywho, very easy one. Tim, what is blockchain?
What is blockchain? What? That's like a weird question.
Tim, answer the question.
Hey, Trunks, stop.
I mean, blockchain is a technology, so because that's a weird way to posit that. But so it is a technology that includes blocks or different pieces of data packaged together and then chained together in a certain way. So you've got blocks of data, and then you have the chain because they're all in sequential order. And the way it works is that multiple computers and or nodes or whatever you want to call it around the world all agree that this is the specific order, and they all keep a list of that order.
Yawn.
And then that is blockchain.
The answer is blockchain is an encrypted distributed database shared across multiple computers or nodes
Said that.
are part of a community or system. So I'll give it to him just
that.
because he specifically said multiple computers or nodes, but that's all he said out of that entire answer.
I mean,
Moving forward,
I don't
Okay, next question.
know. I feel like I kind of.
Annalise,
Yeah.
how
kinda
does
nailed down.
blockchain reduce the possibility of security breaches?
How does blockchain reduce the possibility of security breaches? Wow. Shout out to the Twitter hack, because let me teach you how blockchain can reduce the possibility of you ever getting hacked again. So first and foremost, blockchain, like Tim said, are you going to be obnoxious?
Yes. Please.
First and foremost, blockchain is a distributed ledger, like Tim said. Secondly, blockchain can reduce the chances of you getting hacked because not only is it decentralized, so there's no centralized, system for you to, hack it. It's hard to hack something that's not located in one place. So that's one. And then additionally, it's encrypted. So due to its encrypted, characteristics,
That's
it
a word.
stops you from hacking it, and it's much harder to hack. That is my final answer.
In a traditional implemented, a rogue administrator can potentially change historical transactions because of his or her access levels to the data.
God knows.
However, with a blockchain implementation across data centers, one would need a large number of terms working together across data centers to modify.
So it sounds like
data.
because it's decentralized, I was right. So
I don't know.
I don't know about all that.
I didn't hear. I didn't hear
none
that.
of those words.
I didn't hear that.
That was a very specific answer.
Well, I didn't hear
but,
the main attack vector was getting or gaining control of the majority of the network in order to
You
change
can't because
historical
it's
data.
decentralized.
But that would be the way that you would hack it. So technically,
What are you saying?
I kind of didn't hear that in your answer.
I think, let's ask the chat, guys. What do you guys think about my answer?
First person to say anything, you're right. I'm just saying the customer is always right. So
I think that my answer
please.
was fine. So you guys, so just tell me yes or no. Tell me if you think that was a satisfactory answer. I think it was.
You know the chat loves to see you drink.
I think
Chat.
it does.
Chat. Someone, somewhere.
Tim, hit that coma. What?
Yes.
What? What is that? What
Probably home.
hit that home. Oh, like, okay, I got you. All right, it
All right,
looks
well,
like
chat's not saying anything. I
chat
guess
is going to
we're
let me
gonna let
pass
this one
with this
slide.
one. We're going to let this one slide. Jerome, next question.
Tim, how can blockchain help in government?
How can it help in government? By making things transparent and fair, equal access. I'm just going to use buzzwords here. Voting, DAO.
Give a scenario. I guess voting would be a scenario.
Record keeping and access. Smoothing out the friction between entities that may need to share data sharing, data situations, some things
Data
about
situations.
data in the storage
All right,
and
that's enough.
retrieval of data.
Jerome, what are any of those answers? Do any of those suffice?
Government departments that work in silos cause the exchange of information to be delayed, negatively impacting citizen services. Linking the data between departments with blockchain ensures that data is released in real time when both the departments and the citizens consent to sharing data.
Boom.
Blockchain technology
Jerome, you do
could
not have to
improve
read the paragraph.
transparency and check corruption in governments worldwide.
Boom! I destroyed that one. I'm not even trying to hear that.
Okay, all right.
Nailed it.
Okay, next
Like
question.
Jesus.
Next question.
Annalise, how can blockchain help in healthcare?
How can blockchain help in healthcare? Well, first of all, it can the ledger in itself. What?
That's true. Hold on. Throw it back to me. Go ahead.
Okay,
Throw
so
it back
first
to
of
me,
all,
whole thing. Just throw it.
the
Physically
ledger
throw it.
in-
Jesus Christ.
in
I
its
said
in
throw it, not
itself.
pelt it. God damn.
I'm a little nervous here, guys. Healthcare
Healthcare.
systems
This is your
are
shit.
very private and they need privacy. So blockchains are private and they're good at holding information. It's good at transferring data between different doctors because doctors don't share medical files. So it's easier to, communicate that information and have it encrypted for HIPAA reasons and OSHA reasons. That is my final answer because that is the best way you can use it in healthcare.
Using digital
Wrong.
signatures on blockchain-based data that allows access only when authorized by multiple people could regulate the availability and maintain the privacy of health records.
Yeah.
In addition, a community of
That's
people,
it, I already
including
said it.
hospitals,
Wrong.
doctors,
You don't
patients,
have to
and insurance
read an
companies
entire
could be
thing.
part of the overall blockchain reducing fraud in healthcare payments.
Payments is something very specific. There's lots of uses for it. That's just one, but
I don't
send
like
records,
this one. There's
like-
not like specific answers. I
there's
don't like
agree.
there's
There's
not.
not.
Jerome, you don't
I
have to
don't-
read,
Okay.
the whole thing. It's
Okay.
just like,
Here.
Hey man, I'm just
You
going
know?
with what you gave me.
well, I
Yeah.
didn't give you anything. That's
There's-
just something that's online, and
Oh God.
those are possible answers to a question. There's multiple answers within within these questions. But anyways, next one.
All right, working my way to the next one.
You making your way downtown? What up,
That's exactly
Pooch?
what came up in my head. Walking away downtown,
So
talking
with
about.
this one
Walk
that you
fast,
gave
yeah.
me, see,
Talking about.
after a specific amount, like you have to sign up, and I just didn't feel like signing up.
Did you say
so
OSHA? I did say OSHA
give me
and
a
HIPAA.
second.
HIPAA and OSHA. Those are the two.
Oh, what up, JT?
JT in the chat, yo. Trunks, you're such a spoiled pooch. What you want? You want me to smack
Oh
your booty?
wait, so Annalise took a shot, right?
No.
She was wrong one
No.
time. No.
No one's taking anything.
No, you're not giving us good questions.
All
I'm trying to
right,
bite your
let's
tail.
look for good
Fucking
questions.
weirdo.
I went
Get away
back.
from me. Get away.
Let's get some better flashcards.
Oh, he was rejected.
Hey.
Hey, baby, who's a good boy?
I don't like that question either. These questions are like open-ended.
Oh, boring.
All right, give me 1 second. I'm gonna find a better
Well, I mean, sure, but all questions are open-ended
one.
technically,
Hey, Trunks, can you leave that alone?
right? So while Jerome's trying to look up life, I'm just going to talk about altcoin season because, wow, let's talk about these gains. Altcoin season is still amongst us. I thought it ended a week ago after everything started like going back down, but to my surprise, no. Altcoin season is still, growing and heading strong, which is exciting. I don't know about you guys, but I've had some major gains with Link. I think Jerome had some pretty big gains with Zap. If you guys are familiar with Zap pumped like there was no tomorrow.
Wait, where'd you buy Zap?
He
Remember
won
when
it.
we had that,
So Tim won.
Yeah, it blew up.
Jerome won. I think it was $50 worth of Zap, and it turned into $500. So it was like,
I didn't
like
sell it. I'm gonna wait because it keeps
It-
going back
it
up. I'm
just-
like, oh, you know what? I'll
Yeah.
hold.
Yeah, this reminds me of the last Zap pump, which I think was a year ago, if I'm not mistaken. Was it, or maybe less than that? I think it was during Miami Blockchain Week.
Jesus Christ.
That was the last time that Zap was pumping. So there's a lot of coins out there that was pumping, guys. But just keep in mind, don't get wrecked. It's not fun to get wrecked. I don't know if you guys have been liquidated or not, but don't do it. Make sure you keep an eye on your money if you are trading or
Damn,
you're
that's true.
investing into something risky.
If I wear a mask, they won't know that the audio's delayed.
Exactly.
Audio sounds perfect, you guys. I
Audio
just have to
sounds
delay
perfect.
my actions a little bit.
You're stupid.
End of sentence.
What is wrong with you? You're crazy. You're stupid. Anyways,
All right, I got some better ones.
you got some
Alright, cool.
questions? All right.
Is it my
Alright.
turn or Annalise's turn again?
We'll start with Annalise. now.
Perfect.
First question. This one's just define a ledger.
Define a ledger. A ledger is a ledger.
Allegedly.
Allegedly. I don't know. How do you define a ledger?
How do you?
It's just a base. A database. What the fuck is a ledger? A ledger? A ledger. A distributed ledger. A database. Like, I don't know.
Is there like a steal? Is there a steal option?
Like-
Can we take 2 shots?
I'm with it.
Is that a thing?
A steal?
Can we do that?
No, you can't steal my answer. A ledger. Isn't a ledger just a fucking, thing? A
There's
ledger?
like one word that like if you just say the one word, I'll be satisfied personally. So what is a ledger? Like what is that? Like what is it? Like what is it? Like what is it?
Isn't that just used like for storage? Aren't ledgers just used for storage? Isn't just like it's a storage mechanism?
Seriously?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll give you a hint. The word ledger severely predates any type of computer, probably, goddamn. So.
All right, I'm over it. The answer is container which gathers every business transaction for a given account. Several ledgers such as accounts receivable and payable and account/assets liabilities.
What are you saying to me? That was like Chinese.
I honestly would have accepted the word list. It's literally just like
A
a list
list?
of like
Yeah, it's a
transactions in and out. So like, I don't.
What's the transactions?
Did anyone ever tell you how to or teach you how to like balance like your checkbook or whatever?
Mm-hmm.
You do that on like your personal like ledger or whatever. Or drug dealers may have a ledger. I don't know anything about this, but they may have a ledger of who owes.
Does
what
ledger
money
really
at what
just
time.
mean list? I always thought it meant
Yeah,
like.
honestly, pretty much.
I
It's a
thought it
list.
meant like storage, like
No.
No.
like a record
I mean,
of information.
which is a list. Of
I
that
guess.
information, which is usually different transactions.
But like
of value.
specifically a ledger is specifically a list. Like it is
Yes, that
a
like
list.
distributed ledger technology means that everybody has the same list and they all agree what the next piece of that list is.
Great answer. Moving on. Next question.
Well,
Hold
well,
on.
hold
Wait a
on.
minute.
Yeah,
So
wait a
technically, it
minute.
wasn't a great answer for Annalise.
Wait a minute,
yeah.
because
So-
like
This is
storage,
a good shot.
We're gonna
storage,
take a
and
great shot right now.
So I guess storage didn't count because it's
At
not
all.
technically storage.
It's not.
It's just the information. So I technically got that wrong. So I guess I'm
Oh.
gonna take a
Your
shot.
shot is
Strawberry.
on the map.
I want to try.
Pineapple. Coffee.
No, I think I'm gonna try the. No, not strawberry. Where's the mango? I'm gonna try the mango.
Yeah.
We're gonna do the mango shot.
Here you go.
Can you open it for me?
He's so excited. Oh, sure can. Sure. Oop, oop.
Yeah, it's like really wet. Thanks. Okay, next question.
Tim, what is an application layer?
What is an application layer? Okay. So
Okay.
not all blockchains, but some blockchains are split up into multiple layers. The DApp layer, distributed application, or just app layer, whatever, is the portion of that blockchain that is reserved for the apps that are running on there. So, for example, part of what makes the game run might be the transaction area layer, where the actual coins are moving back and forth. But the game themselves are running using processing power on a second or separate section of the blockchain to try to make it not like super techy and nerdy. Are we a little bit there? No? I mean, I'll accept no. That's fine. What does
The
it say?
answer is concerned with the user's needs, listening to music, taking photos, or booking hotel rooms.
I don't understand what the fuck you're saying. to me right now.
I'm sorry. What was the question?
The application layer is the layer that is concerned with the user's needs.
Really?
I mean,
The application layer has.
I guess I tried to go too much into like specifically what it was.
Exactly.
So-
Whereas you're right in a
Yeah.
sense because you're looking at like a kernel of the answer, but the answer is really more
It
broad.
was
than
very
you were-
broad.
Yeah.
Okay, you know what? It's for a good cause. It's for a good cause. All these shots go towards children. Every time we take a shot, we also give a child a shot. So
Okay. No. We do not. I'm sorry. If the government is listening to this, we do not give
Yo,
children.
dear FBI,
We do not give
I have
children
some news
drinks.
for you.
And we do not endorse underage drinking. Please don't come to my house.
All right, Annalise,
Yeah.
what is the implementation layer?
What
my
is the
God.
implementation layer of blockchain?
So all right, so I'm gonna give you a hint. The answer probably starts with the layer that it's concerned with, and then you just very broad. Also, Jerome, is it possible? Can I get
implementation?
water? Okay, water.
The layer that is used to implement
Oh my God.
distributed ledger
Yo, this one was
technology.
so gross. You like
The
the
layer
mango?
that is no, I didn't. The layer that's used to implement to help people implement protocols. I don't know.
You probably can't say the word implement in your definition because that's how definitions work, technically.
The implementation layer, like of a blockchain, is that the question?
That is the question.
Have you been putting the shots on the board?
I have been putting the shots on the board.
Cool.
Annalise, come on. What is
The
the
implementation
implementation
layer is used to. Fuck, I don't know.
so hot right now.
I don't know.
5,
I don't know this
4.
one. Go ahead.
3, 2,
What is it?
1. Concerned with making the applications happen, converting digital information into acoustic signals, recognizing the color of a pixel in a digital camera, or sending messages over the internet to a booking system, which reminds me of that
Wow,
new
I really do need this
chat
blockchain course.
platform by
LOL.
that website, that crypto, what's the name of that company? Unstoppable Domains. They just made a D-chat. Have you guys heard of that yet?
D chat? No,
Yeah.
I have not heard of D chat.
Pretty neat. But
What?
That would be the implementation layer, I would believe.
Wait. So Annalise takes another shot.
Yeah.
Yes, Annalisa is taking another shot because
Can
she
we
did
do-
get that correct.
Can we do like I don't know, not that flavor ever again?
The mango. That we only had one mango.
Oh, there's a bunch of espresso. You should try
Yeah,
that.
you said you like the espresso.
It's
Open
so
it.
good.
All right. Ask Tim his question. Next question.
Tim, what is the functional layer?
I'm not having fun with these questions.
Hey,
These
people are
questions-
learning about the layers of blockchain here.
Yeah. Okay. What is the functional layer of blockchain, Tim?
It's the layer responsible for the
Functionality. The layer responsible for the functionality.
Yes.
What is required of the functionality of a blockchain? What is the function in a blockchain?
It is the layer that allows for the exchange of value. Keywords or buzzwords being transactions, transactional, exchange,
Information.
value, data, migration,
Data migration.
synergy.
Synergy.
What
I
are you
like
doing
that
with
one.
it?
Utilizing the
I'm so over this face. Okay.
I don't know.
The response is obviously needs of the user. The user learns about it. Examples of functional aspects are sending data over a network, playing music, taking photos, and manipulating individual pictures of a picture.
I mean, that was kind of his answer, kind
Bro,
of.
I'm not gonna lie
I
to
mean,
you. Like, I don't even know. Like,
All I was really looking for you to say was sending data. You just said data.
exchanging.
He said exchanging data. He said exchanging data. He technically got it.
Okay, I'll give him that.
Motherfucker.
And at least, what is the non-functional layer?
Where's the fucking shot?
What
you
is the
motherfucker? Put a
non-functional
fucking-
layer?
Put a shot on the board for me. You
What is
fucking-
the non-functional layer of blockchain?
Oh no! What is that? What is that baby shot? Come on, take your shot.
What is the non-functional layer of blockchain?
Dig your shot.
I don't think I like these questions.
Take your shot, Morty.
Hold on, I will. Oh man. What is the non-functional layer of blockchain?
It's so good. It's so good.
What is the non-functional layer? I don't know. The encryption? Like, I don't know. The UXUI interface?
Come on, think about buzzwords, keywords. Come on, we got this.
The non-functional layer. What layer doesn't function in blockchain? Can someone tell me what layer doesn't function in blockchain? I'm not aware of this
Here's
layer.
the thing. Honestly, I don't even know. Like, I think we lost everyone. I think they don't even care. Because they're not here. No one's in the chat saying how much they love me and how cute I look today.
Wow.
It's just making me
I
insane.
just don't know. These are just not. I don't know, Jerome. What is it?
Major elements of the system. The user takes it as granted. Examples of non-functional aspects are a beautiful graphical user interface,
Oh,
fast
she said
running
UTXI,
software,
yeah.
She literally said
Yeah.
UXUI, so.
What?
And the ability
I
to
said
keep user
UTXI.
data
I don't
private
know why I
and
just
safe.
said that.
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck that was. Oh, you're probably
Wow.
thinking of UTXO. Anyways, continue.
Cool.
So, yeah, you
wow,
got it
I
right
got
then?
it. I got it right. That's crazy.
But you still have to take that shot, though.
I do. All
so
right,
go ahead
hold
and do
on.
that. Go ahead and do that. Go ahead. Just get that ready. And then just go ahead and do it. And then take the shot. And then you're shooting it. Shot has been taken. No, you lied. Is it good? Wait a minute. America, hold on. Oh, America. America, she's lying
Oh,
to you.
I need water. Oh shit, you're right. Jerome, can I please have some water? Oh my god.
She is lying to you. Yo, Jerome, more water. That. Pronto.
I'm not liking this blockchain game. I don't want to play this today. I don't know. I'm not in the mood to play this.
There's a mood you would be in then?
Yeah, I'm not in the mood to play this game. I'm not feeling it today, guys. This is not fun for me. This is not fun for me.
Well, let's hurry up and maybe we'll only get to 5 shots. I don't know.
Yeah.
Because this one's fucking terrible. I like when we just do it about a specific project.
Yeah, I like doing it on projects too. I don't know about just blockchain in general. Some of these questions are a little weird.
Anyways.
Jerome, next question.
Geronimo, are you ready over there?
I'm just flipping through some questions.
Because your boy is about to get saucy McBossy. What do you want,
I guess.
Fatso?
In terms of the blockchain, Tim, what is integrity?
What is integrity in terms of the blockchain? Uptime, decentralization, integrity. Integrity is chain length, anything about chain length.
Chain length. Wow.
Anything regarding, nothing about chain length, okay? Not even, there's not one hint. Ladies and gentlemen, if you could see the face that I'm receiving right now, not one hint. I can't, I'm not getting anything right now. Integrity has to do with the,
Who's your good boy?
with the shot I'm apparently about to fucking take because this is some bullshit. What do you mean?
System behaves as intended, involves security and correctness.
What was the question?
Integrity in the terms
Ew,
of
look at all this
blockchain.
fucking hair. Oh my god. Look at that. Ugh, look at that.
I think
What
that
is
was a
this?
great
What
way
is
to
this?
scapegoat from taking the shot that he's going to need to take right now.
No, I'm gonna take the shot, but goddamn.
I believe that's third shot for Tim.
Yeah, I think.
Annalise, are you on your second or third shot?
So every so often we're gonna have like a punishment where you got to do fireball, cause to be honest, no one really likes fireball. It's not terrible, but no one really likes it. Like if you do like fireball, you're kind of lying.
You're kind of lying.
Even if because there's some people that are like, oh, I don't like fireball, but I like Jack Daniel's Tennessee Fire. Like you're also lying. You know what I mean? Like.
I like. I don't
There
think.
we
I
go.
don't.
That
Fireball's
should be
not
fine.
too bad.
You know what?
It's not a bad
Let
one.
me not be a liar. That should be
Trunks,
fine.
you're shedding. Oh my god.
Yeah, you should brush him every once in a ever.
I literally gave him a bath yesterday and brushed him.
Apparently not, because let me tell you about homeboy. That's disgusting. Look at that.
He has,
oh my god.
Well, I think he's a little bumpy.
God. He has dandruff.
I think
hives.
he got allergic to he's allergic to grass. Did you know that?
What type of fucking? What's next? He's allergic to fucking air and water.
No, but that's very
Trunksy
common.
will never be the fucking Avatar, bro. I'm so sorry.
Pit bulls are like very allergic to like everything.
This nigga will never be the Avatar. It's over for that. Never seen you go in water willingly. Okay, so that's
He's
not
scared
it.
of water.
All right,
Like
Annalise,
you're
are you
not.
ready?
You can't earthbend apparently. So, because the earth it makes you allergic.
We're
Like
talking about the airbender, you guys.
what's next? You can't fly. You're not even that graceful. So like that's not.
You're not even that graceful. Why are you coming for my dog right now? What is happening?
He likes fire though. He's lit
This is
when
what
it comes to
happens when
that.
they
So
get
maybe
tipsy,
he's just a
guys.
firebender. I don't know. Anyways,
I think this question's for Annalise.
it
Yeah,
is
what's the
because
next
this
question?
is gross, and I'm gonna do it
What
right
is
now.
a centralized software architecture?
Centralized software architecture.
No.
Centralized is it's not so this it's a software that is not located in more than one place. It's architecture. Centralized software architecture. So architecture has to do with infrastructure. So is it
I think once every game we should allow it that I try to help you or like you try to help me or whatever. So here's what I'm gonna throw out some buzzwords here. Closed source, maybe closed source might be one of the buzzwords. Looking
a
for-
closed sourced infrastructure? A closed source a closed source technological infrastructure is that it?
kind of. Sort of. Hello?
Components are located around and connected with one central component.
I mean.
Okay. Components. One more time.
Are located around and connected with one central component. So
That's not a full. That's not a full
components are
sentence.
connected to one
That's not a full
component.
sentence. What
That
is
is a centralized
centralized?
software architecture.
Yo, this is so funny. So 2 people so far have texted me and advised me to drink more water. That's beautiful, and I love each and every one of you. And Elise, also drink water.
I will
If
drink
people
water.
are telling me to drink it, you know, it has to be good for everyone. So all the people who have told me that, like, I physically love you. Like, you guys are terrific. Wonderful.
So I don't see anything that. I said infrastructure, architecture. You said, wasn't it architecture?
Yeah. Ooh, if you would have said the word architecture, honestly, I would have given you the answer just because, like, whatever. Like, I would have given you the point. But also, it sounds like maybe you didn't get it.
Centralized architecture implies the availability of a single or a few entities that have control over an entire network.
Yeah. I didn't hear that in your answer, so I'm going to go ahead.
So I'm going to go ahead and click that third shot button.
I watched.
You're going to go ahead and take that.
Wait. Hello? Why is it? Go ahead. Do it. What's happening? Okay, there we go. I saw it happen. Let me just check over here.
All right, so I need another shot. Is that what's happening?
Yeah, I see that shot's up there now.
Oh, I'm dreading this.
You should do Fireball, honestly, as like the punishment because no one really likes Fireball.
But why would I do that?
Well, because I just did it. So, I mean, it's like...
I mean, I'm not you.
Well, the thing about it is what's fair is fair.
Okay, well,
And if
I
you
guess.
don't do it, then I'll do it on the next one for you. So, I mean...
I guess. What happened to not? Whatever.
What happened to what?
Not mixing dark and.
Oh, here's the thing about it is during these shits...
Alrighty.
Fuck it.
I'm gonna need to chase this down.
Yo, your boy is feeling very saucy right now. Oh, right now. Right now. Feeling very saucy.
Oh, wow. Anyways, Jerome, next question.
Hello.
Jerome, next question.
Hi.
Tim, what is a distributed software architecture?
Is it sweaty in here? Oh my God. What is a what? Hold on. I got you.
Distributed software architecture.
What is a distributed software?
You just asked me that question.
Architecture?
No, I asked you a centralized. This is distributed.
Okay. So, how about, can we do it like this? Can I give you an example of a distributed, it's very hot, of a distributed software architecture?
Just remember the key word that I gave her when I gave her answer.
I'm not going to lie to you right now, the way my brain's set up, I don't even know what the fuck question you just asked her, to be honest. Okay, so here's the thing. Distributed architecture software, what? One more time. One more time.
What is a distributed software architecture?
Got it, okay. Distributed software architecture, got it. Boom. Okay, so let's say,
Wow, were you even paying attention to what he told me?
So the thing about it is kind of no.
Yeah, no, you weren't paying attention.
I may or may not have been slightly distracted.
You weren't paying attention.
For no particular reason. But here's the thing. So I'll give an example, right? OpenBazaar I think OpenBazaar is an example, and or some of the other, or like a decentralized exchange maybe, where like in order for a piece of software to exist, multiple parties are responsible for that thing. Kind of like torrents, where you're not downloading the file directly from one place. There's multiple places you're downloading it from. So in a decentralized software architecture, the processing power required to run the piece of software is distributed amongst multiple participants in said software.
Components are connected with one another without having a central element.
So, yeah, I mean, I kind of said that in different words because I'm trying to make it so that our non crypto friends can kind of, you know what I mean? And so once they know the way that I said it, they can then take the way that you said it and make like a thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, please?
What are you saying?
Will you
Please?
sleep
What are you
better
saying?
at night with that answer?
Please? Okay, chat. Listen, chat. Just, okay. I know that there's at least 3 people watching on YouTube because you're all texting me right now. What I need you to do is just, at very least, just go in the chat somehow, some fucking how.
LMFAO, someone just said that BSV is going to eat Ethereum.
In terms of what?
I don't know.
In terms of what? In
I
terms
don't
of
know.
literally what?
I don't know, guys.
You know what? Honestly, we're not even going to do that right now because the way I'm set up right now, there's no way. So here's the thing. All right, here's what I'm going to do for you guys. I think I got the answer right. But because it's 11 and we have to, kind of, get to a certain point, Jerome, go ahead and put one more shot on the board for me. I'll take another one. It's not going to be Fireball, I can tell you fucking that much. Goddamn. But we are going to try a little bit of this.
All right, Jerome, next question. Actually give me a decent question.
Wait a minute. Before you take that next shot,
Sure.
how are you feeling currently in terms of like drunkenness?
I want to go for a run.
Yes. Okay. So whenever Annalise feels free and like she wants to like do a bunch of shit, substances in her brain, things are happening. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna
Substances in her brain.
no.
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 No. Shame.
Remember when I told you that I was gonna look up Deval and like whatever?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So
Drink some water.
yeah, smart. So the guy who made Deval, I did a little bit of research. The guy who made it, oh my god, only like 7,000-ish followers on Twitter. So he's not like a huge, but that's actually really good. When you consider like the small amount of people in crypto Twitter and like whatever, so like that's really not that bad. I would say that in terms of like what I think of like the people with like major projects, like it's maybe he's not there yet, but definitely a chance like to be there. Anyways, so I was talking to our friend Bitcoin Jake, aka Bitcoin Jake the Snake, aka
Bitcoin Jake the Snake. Shout out Bitcoin Jake.
AKA, if you have an idea for a T-shirt, keep it to yourself.
I love you, Jake. I don't care what nobody says.
No, honestly, listen. Yeah, for sure. People have emailed me, okay, and they've sent me letters about Bitcoin Jake the Snake, and
really?
No.
Oh, I was gonna say, like, what did he do?
No.
Tea time.
So anyway, he's been talking about Deval, and like how I've been tweeting stuff like, oh, like what's your favorite currency, or like what currency would you want like $100 of, like what like the shit I've been tweeting like lately. The Deval people have been like in my shit lately, like oh like Deval, like check us out.
And
like,
they've been in there.
So Bitcoin,
all up in there.
Yeah. So Bitcoin Jake, maybe yesterday tweeted something where it was. Have you ever seen like the tweets where like or like the pictures where it's like a girl where you can't see her face and it's just like boobies, and it'll be like big boobies with like whatever written on it, like at Bitcoin Weatherman, or like whatever.
Oh, I saw that picture. It said Deval.
Deval.
Yeah.
So I was like, okay, Jake, like you got me, like this is the one that gets me in or whatever, like as a joke or whatever. And then like I joined the Discord and he sent me like some Deval or whatever. Like I think it was like $1 of Deval, which like that's fine. It's free, whatever. And then if it goes up, it goes up. If not, whatever. So he sent me $1, and then like I was like, oh, should I do a drunk trivia about this? And I was gonna have us look up stuff and like put together questions or whatever, but he was like, nah, it'd be really cool if you just tried to learn about it like on the stream or whatever. And I was like, oh, facts, but I'm gonna wait until I'm saucy. So right now I feel like we've reached like that saucy level
Okay.
where like I think we can both kind of look into it.
Sure.
And then for the last like couple minutes of the stream, we do like a couple more questions and then just like really.
Okay. Yeah,
Hate
let's
our
look into
fucking
it.
lives?
Let's go check out some
Got it.
Devault. Let's see what Devault is all about.
So,
I don't know anything about it personally, so.
So I will say this. I guess there's already something that is Devault. I don't know what, I didn't look into it. I don't know what it actually is, but there's already like pre-existing the cryptocurrency something. So if you are going to Google it, it does help if you search for Devault crypto. So vault is obviously spelled
Devault crypto.
the same way. So it's DEVAULT. That's how you spell Devault. And then just put in crypto and you'll find stuff. For
Okay.
me, the first thing that pops up is CoinMarketCap.
Same.
But-
Devault.cc, that's their
But
website.
the website is devault.cc. So if you're
Dot
watching
.cc. What does that stand for? Crypto community?
cryptocurrency, I'm
Cryptocurrency?
So the thing about it is I don't really know. Like there's a lot of new dot like whatevers that have been happening lately. So I don't really know specifically what CC is. But I think it makes a lot of sense for like cryptocurrency like companies to pick that one just because whatever like it seems. But I don't know.
suppose.
Yeah, I don't know what the CC is for. Anyways, okay, so the one couple things that I know about Devault is that they pay like, you know how some stocks like pay a dividend or whatever? This is where like if you stake it or something, like it gives you interest in the form of Devault or whatever the fuck. Like, I know
Coinbase is something similar with Tezos.
Yeah,
They give you like
Tezos has
3.15,
staking, but they call
3.15%.
it, I think they call it baking. I
Yeah,
don't
you
know.
bake your Tezos.
Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, so all right, so I'm on the Devault website right now. Hold on, let me see if I can be a really fancy fucking guy. Hold on.
Do you guys like my shirt, by the way? It says fetish. Some people think it says fetish.
All right, you're back.
I
Hold
like
on.
to work out, but won't say no to tacos. So
I have no audio. Okay.
Is
What?
it back? I think it's back.
what are you talking about?
The audio had cut out for a second.
Oh, so did nobody hear anything I said? I was just talking to myself.
I'm trying. Hold on.
What are you
wait a
trying to
minute.
do?
I want to. Hold on.
Same
Got
trunks.
that right, Trunks.
Yeah, I got this totally 100%. So copy, boom, paste, boom. Easy
What are you doing?
Easy transition, and we should have audio still. Boom, you can see me, you can hear me, everything is great. King Kong in my trunk. Okay. So we're on the Devault website and we're going to learn about this together and we're going to see if we think it's cool, maybe if people should look into it.
Okay.
I'm saucy, so like if I see something I don't like, I'm snapping. Like it just is what it is.
Mm-hmm.
Bitcoin Jake knows what he asks for. He's one of like the moderators or something. I don't know.
For Devault? Okay.
Yeah,
All
but
right.
we're going to go ahead and we're going to look into it. Okay, so boom. Community-backed assets and government, blah, blah, blah. Crypto for everyone, blah, 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 whatever. Okay, governance and funding. Community governance is not just a buzzword. We live and breathe community, and we are working on building that community network every single day. I know that part is at least true because they will not leave me alone.
They will not leave me alone.
So,
Oh, wow.
Okay, so no node, no problem. Cold rewards. Devault is a project that provides cold rewards to the widest possible range of community members. Simply start with 25,000 plus Devault and hold for so many blocks to start earning. Okay, so it says 21,915 blocks. Now, I don't know exactly how fast each of their blocks is. I'm assuming it's faster than Bitcoin, which is 10 to 15 minutes per block. Because most things are faster than Bitcoin, which is kind of unfortunate, but like that's just a fact of life at this point. Let's see here. Real community government governance. Let's see here. In a nutshell, it's self-funded. Okay, that's cool. Community decides on stuff. That's cool. fast payment, so it's Bitcoin-like. It enables fast payment. Payments arrive in under 60 seconds. So we have to assume that their block sizes are enough that it makes sense, but maybe they don't have that many transactions, so I don't know. But transactions happen in generally 60 seconds, which is fire. Let's see, it's proof of work secure. SHA-256D. So it's the same thing as Bitcoin, so that's pretty cool too. Because let me tell you about POS, not with it. Honestly, I don't like for as a currency, absolutely not. But as like
You like proof of work over proof of stake?
yeah, because like as we get like I think we'll eventually get to a point where like everyone has so we all have cell phones, right? And if you compare like what your cell phone that's in your pocket right now can do to like the computers we used to have that would take up like a whole room or whatever, like your phone is so powerful that like if there was a consensus mechanism based on like a whole room computer, like everyone would be able to participate in that very, very easily from their pocket phone today. And I think that we're eventually going to get to a point where like we have created a microcontroller or whatever, like a mini CPU or whatever the fuck that is so capable that we have a hard time creating programs or anything that like even makes like any type of a strain for it. So eventually everyone's phone or like personal little thing that they carry around with them is eventually going to be strong enough for all these different algorithms and whatever, and it's going to be fine, right?
Right.
So I think that proof of work eventually will become the actual standard of everything because everyone's phone or this or that or whatever is going to be strong enough to do proof of work stuff without even like hiccuping. And you'll be able to run like, for example, like a Bitcoin node or maybe a DVault, whatever the fuck, on your phone
Right.
in the background. It's not a big deal. Whereas like proof of stake is cool, but also if you don't have the physical like underlying currency for proof of stake, you also don't have a say in the network. And maybe I need to use my stake in the network to pay for my living situation, but does that mean that specifically I shouldn't have any say in that network? You know? So that's why I feel like proof of stake is not it compared to where like proof of work actually is, because like it requires me allocating some resources to the network, thus helping secure it. To me.
Okay.
So that's why I think proof of work for DVault is pretty lit. Let's see here. So everyone can access cold rewards. That's cool. Community built from within. Blah, blah, blah. I don't know. I'm going to tell you this. So far from the website, I'm not sold. Nothing's really standing out here telling me like, hey, you know, this is crazy. The easiest way to grow your portfolio independently, I don't like that. I don't like those words. Those words don't make me happy and don't make me feel
They don't
good
make you happy?
in my belly. So I don't know. Worldwide payments. I don't know. It's just saying a bunch of buzzwords and like I don't know. So here's what I'm gonna do.
So what do you know?
What do you know? Because it doesn't seem like you know much.
I don't. I really don't. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do some independent study on this. We got some information here regarding things. What have yous. So, I don't know. Business development and marketing, 10%. Web dev and support, 10%. Core dev, 10%. Like, so 30% goes to pretty much the guy who invented this shit, to be real with you. So the blocks are split 30%, one guy gets it. And that part, I don't know how I feel about that. And maybe someone can correct me, I don't know, but that's just kind of what I'm seeing right now. I don't know. Anyways, back to the good old questionnaires. Oh
my god.
So back to the questions. Let's go ahead and do the questions. We're getting questions about things.
The next question. Just bear with me as looks
Okay.
like it brought me back through all the questions again.
I'm
Just
bearing
flipping through.
with you.
I'm bearing with you. You're so funny.
All right. Next good question that I'm liking is I believe for Annalise now. Where are we at?
Sure.
Yep,
What's the question?
It's definitely Annalise for sure.
In terms of the blockchain,
Yes.
what is trust?
What is trust?
You know what? It's broad, but I actually really like that question. That's important. I like that.
What is trust on the blockchain? So
What's
trust on the
got to do
blockchain
with it?
has to do with a few factors. Different blockchains work differently. Some blockchain, in order to gain trust, it has to do with how many like how active you are, whether or not you run a node, whether or not you
No.
what no.
I'm gonna tell you right now that no,
Whoa.
definitely not.
Well, yeah, some block. That's how you like gain trust in
All
like
right,
some.
so check me out, right?
Okay,
And
sure.
maybe I'm wrong, but I'm definitely not. So the thing about it is think trustless. Why are blockchains trustless? And then once you got that,
Why are
then you
blockchains
can-
trustless?
Right, and then you can explain what
so-
the trust means.
So blockchains are technically trustless because everything is like recorded. It can't be like distributed or not distributed. It can't be changed.
Right.
It's immutable,
But you can also verify it.
and you can verify it.
So then what does that mean for a system that has a level of trust involved with it?
Because this information is immutable, and you have to trust it for a system that depends on this. It gives them I don't know what it gives them. It gives them like it's.
Okay, but
Hold on.
so now that you understand, okay, Bitcoin is trustless because I can verify it. What would a system that is not trustless, right?
It
that
involves
requires you
like
to trust-
people. Like you have to trust other things that may or may not be correct. Like we trust banks, which means we have to trust people. We have to trust we have to trust that they're making the right decision.
God mode.
Like am I heading in the right direction here? Is that part of the answer? Wow, I burnt my thumb. Oh my god.
Human belief in reliability and truth of someone or something without proof or further investigation.
So yes.
Honestly, I didn't hear any of that in what you said. I tried my best assist.
I mean, I said that you needed humans.
The fact
Humans,
that she's
banks.
melting the ice though.
No, what the fuck are you doing? What are you doing? What
Look,
are you
it's
doing?
black. The ice has black
Right,
on it.
Why are you doing
That's
that?
crazy. I've never seen that. Look, it's sliding. Look at that. That's crazy. Oh, wow. Look, if you touch
is
it,
wrong with
it
you?
breaks apart. Isn't that the coolest thing you've ever seen?
No. Stop. Ugh, gross. Hello. Stop.
Hello, somebody.
Stop it.
Stop it.
So I'm gonna say that answer is no, and at least take a
What do
shot.
you mean? I said
Put a shot in- did you put a shot on the board?
people. Oh, my God.
No, I can't put a shot on the board.
For why?
It's not giving me the option.
What do you mean? I'm looking at the phone that you're looking at.
It's not giving me the option, he said.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Why are you doing all of the things that you're currently doing?
This is
See,
like
that's
a
how you throw
handle.
things. Oh, God.
Oh, wow. There's like black stuff in our thing now. Interesting.
All right, so I think the next question is for Annalise.
Tim,
Annalise.
Got it.
you just asked me a question.
Oh, then Tim.
Here you are, sir. Wait, let me put that on the... So she gets a shot then.
Yes.
And a number more. Oh, God.
Tim,
That's me.
what is an algorithm?
What is an algorithm? That's a good question.
That face.
Okay, so an algorithm is a mathematical sequence that can be followed to reach the same answer for any specific given input. An algorithm will output the same things for each specific given input. Honestly, I don't know how to word that. I know what I'm saying. Like to me, it makes sense, but also, I don't know how to word that in a way that like, was I anywhere near what that says or?
Probably not.
Collection of information put together in a sequence which a computer can understand and execute.
You didn't say information. You technically said mathematical
Sequence.
I mean, that's not particularly information.
I mean, math is
It doesn't have to be a mathematical
Tim is
sequence.
scraping, Brent.
I mean,
It doesn't
I'm
have
really
to be a
not.
mathematical sequence.
You know, my thing. I mean, but
Because technically, when
but
like
so-
Instagram
okay,
uses
so
algorithms,
technically, but that all is based on math, though.
ones and zeros, sure.
But not just ones and zeros. Like those ones and zeros are assigned another value, and that value still is mathematical. So even when we break away from
sure.
binary code being ones and zeros, like your ID being assigned a value to you, like that is, like the algorithm is math based, and it is sequential, and like I mean, you know, I don't know.
I don't know.
All right, how about this? Google the definition of algorithm, and let's see what that says.
Let's see what it says.
I guess Annalise is working on that. I have a question for you. When
What
you're ready.
is an algorithm?
Here's the definition of algorithm. A process or set of rules to be followed in calculations or other problem-solving operations, especially by a computer.
Calculations, problem-solving operations.
I kind of.
Maybe math. Maybe you could say mathematical.
I kind of, you know, I don't like a little bit. I kind of did.
I mean, kind of. I mean, all code is math when you break it down. So, I guess
Okay.
so. Anyways, next question.
So, Annalise, your question is, in the terms of blockchain, what is identification?
What is identification? Identification, to identify KYC. What is identification on a blockchain? Like what what? Can you be more specific on that question? Is there any way you can be a little more specific on the question?
No. I would say it's a very simple answer. What is identification?
What is identification? I mean, there are credentials that you identify yourself with, things that you can prove that you are who you say you are, or it is what you say it is. Things like, you know, name, date of birth, social security, like it's things like that to identify. Like I don't understand identification.
Statement that can be used as an identifier. So I'll give you that. Does not prove real identity, just a claim. Example, underage buying liquor. How does the seller know if he is selling to the right people? Just a claim is not approved, requires authentication, like an ID. So some type of thing that, you know, provides authentication.
Sure. Next question.
That then goes over to Tim. What is authentication in terms of blockchain?
What is authentication?
Proving
Authenticity.
Claim to
Proving claim to
a wallet address and or account and or etc. Encryption. Verifiable.
Verifiable. LOL.
These are buzzwords.
These are buzzwords.
Have I lost? Is this the end of the game?
Verifying the identity of
Boom.
the person or device attempting to access the system.
I feel like I kind of said that. All right, perfect. Next question. Annalise, go ahead.
Question, Jerome. What's the question?
All right. The next question is. I don't like any of these questions. No. Just give me a second, guys. I'll find one that I like.
Okay. If you say so.
This is a very open-ended question, but there's several answers. I'll take any of these.
Sure.
What is a blockchain? What are blockchain potential challenges?
Blockchain's potential challenges.
Scalability.
Scalability.
Next. Like, come on.
Yeah.
Come on. Like, what the fuck?
Yeah, that's the biggest one.
Any other answers?
Scalability.
Scalability and availability. Like, what's up? Like, come on.
What's the issue with quantum computing making blockchain obsolete?
Cracking SHA 256, which would take like I don't even know, like some number of lifetimes.
Yeah, like there's a few. Those are the issues.
What's up?
The
We
answer
good?
I was looking for is agreement of organizations on the rules of the network. Companies have
Well, that's what causes
heterogeneous
forks, but okay.
policies, privacy issues or security issues.
How's scalability not one of them?
Seriously.
I'm surprised as well, but
Well, we all know
privacy issues.
scalability is one of them. So
Well, all right. Annalise lost
what? How did I lose?
because you got that one wrong.
No, there's no way. We all know scalability is an issue on blockchain.
I know that,
That's-
but technically, I mean,
wasn't
what do you
on
want
the
from
list.
me?
well, it doesn't have to be on the list. These
Jerome
are,
said he
like-
was accepting anything from the list. You didn't fucking give him anything from that list. What do you want?
But that is a known issue.
You lost.
Okay, all right. I don't. That's okay.
Well,
Take a
it's
shot.
Tim's turn.
Take
Tim,
a shot.
what are
Take
blockchain's
a shot.
advantages?
What?
What are blockchain advantages?
No downtime, being distributed, security, technology, other buzzwords. What's up? I'm good? Are we good? Security. Yes, these are words. Okay. Hello. Ma.
Wow, there's people who are really shilling Shelly over ETH. But here's a question.
Shelly?
Yeah, Shelly is
I know, no,
Cardano's,
I know,
you know,
I know.
ADA or whatever. Well, you know, but not everyone knows.
So you gonna finish the answer?
What coins are built on ADA? Does it have a robust ecosystem? Can you make NFTs
5,
on it? These are all very
5,
good questions.
4,
Oh, no, that wasn't
3,
a hint.
All
Okay.
very good
2,
questions.
1. The answer is no intermediaries. Empowered users, durability, reliability, and longevity.
I said that.
Integrity, transparency, and immutability.
I didn't say immutable. Fuck.
Immutability.
I probably should have said that. So what? I lose and she wins? What?
I mean, you
what's-
got like a 1/10 of the answer.
What are we? So what's the score then? What's the score right now?
Oh, I forgot to put Annalise's shot on there. I think Annalise is now at 5 shots. and
Okay.
Tim
How
is
am I at 5 shots? That
And
doesn't
I'm
make
also
no
at 5
sense.
or what?
also at 5.
Okay, so we both lost. That's the end of the game. Take a fucking shot. Like it is what it is.
Okay, all right. Anyways,
What's the next shot? Because we both have to take a shot.
why do I have to take a shot?
You got the
Or this
fucking
could
last
be the
one wrong.
last one.
Did I? No.
You did, yes.
Why? Because scalability wasn't on the answer of clearly the correct answer of answers?
Sorry. What do you want me to do?
No one.
My answer
no
wasn't on
one
there.
is going to tell me
Your
that
nose isn't
scalability.
covered. Corona, hello. Oh,
Okay,
no,
no
Cody!
No one is going to sit here and tell me that scalability and or quantum computing are not two threats to blockchain. Okay, we're not going to sit here and pretend like those things are not true because they are. Okay, the entire fucking community makes fun of Vitalik Buterin for it and his mama. All right, so
And his mother, they make fun of his mother.
probably not. And if you did, you're a hoe. But like Like
Whoever threw that, your mom's a hoe.
Mom's a hoe. No, leave people's moms alone. I'm sure they're nice people. Some of them are nice ladies. Not all of them.
Here, do you want to put it in your shot glass? You want to shoot it straight from
No,
there?
I don't
Like, what do
want
you
any
wanna
more.
do? That sucks. You got to take it.
I don't have to do it. I got the answer right.
You got it wrong,
There's
dog.
no fucking way, dude.
Yo, chat, I'm kind of upset because none of y'all are here right now.
Tim.
Backing me up. Fuck you talking about, Tim? We're done,
Last
bro.
question.
We're done,
There's
bruh.
4 minutes left. Yo, we're done. And
The
to wrap
last
up,
question is,
here we
what
are
is
wrapping up.
Solidity?
The fucking programming language for Ethereum. What's next?
Ooh.
What do you
Speaking
want?
of Ethereum, ETH 2.0, guys, out now near an exchange near you. So,
No. Oh my God, no.
he said no. What is this one? Pineapple?
Oh my God.
Not
no.
good? Not good?
It's better than mango, but not by much.
Anyways, guys, we're going to have some closing remarks here. Make sure to come out to Crypto Mondays VR. Crypto Mondays VR is brought to you by Luke Herner and myself. We are usually the host of Crypto Mondays in VR, powered by Blockchain Universe, a entity of Bits and Tokens. This upcoming week, we will be having the founder of Scrutiny Wallet, Leo. Really cool guy. And then next week, we're going to have Qdom. We're going to have one of the team members from Qdom on us with Crypto Mondays. So, stay tuned for that. Every Monday at 6:30 Eastern Standard Time. Make sure to join the Telegram group because sometimes we do it at different times. t.me/CryptoMondaysVR. Join the Bits and Tokens Telegram group, t.me/Bits and Tokens. And join the Blockchain Universe Telegram group, t.me/BlockchainUniVRSE. So,
Wow.
I think that's it. I think those are most of the events that we kind of have set in stone for the week. Of course, we have Drunk Crypto every week, so make sure to tune in with us at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for some fun.
And make sure to harass us on Twitter so we can do your favorite coin or whatever the fuck.
Yeah, if you guys have any ideas on things you want to see on stream, any games you want to see us play, Tim's not letting me play with Pi. He already agreed. Or Dunk Tanks. I was thinking of getting Dunk Tanks. He doesn't want to do it. Whatever. But, if you guys have any
I'm not
game
gonna
ideas,
fucking do a dunk tank, bro.
Why
I'm
not?
so sorry. We're not doing that.
You're being...
Yo, you know how much money they would have to fucking donate for us to do a dunk tank? I'm just not doing it. That I'm gonna get my hair wet?
You
You're
don't have to
crazy.
get your hair wet. You
You're
just have to go
crazy.
in the dunk tank.
You're fucking crazy.
Put it in a bun. Put it in a water cap. I don't know, man.
Anyways, are we good here? Is
Yeah.
everything good to go?
Yeah,
We're
we're
good?
good to go, guys. Follow us on social media, Twitter, Instagram, wherever you can find us. Make sure to like, subscribe, share this video.
Uh-huh.
And that's it. See you guys